There's a credit card that doesn't have a spending limit, doesn't have a number printed on it, and isn't available to the public, no matter how rich you are. It's invitation only, and it's quietly carried by some of the wealthiest people on Earth. No, this isn't just another American Express Platinum. This is the American Express Centurion Card, also known as the Black Card. And what it takes to get one is as fascinating as the perks that come with it. For years, the Centurion Card was just a rumor, an urban legend whispered between investment bankers and private clients. But it's real, and it's one of the most exclusive financial products in the world. You can't apply for it. You can't buy your way in. American Express has to invite you, based on your lifestyle, spending habits, and social footprint. Getting invited isn't cheap. You'll need to spend $250,000 to $500,000 per year on your existing Amex card, then pay a $10,000 initiation fee, plus a $5,000 annual fee. And what do you get for that? Centurion members receive automatic elite status at hotels like Hilton, Marriott, and IHG personal concierge that can get you into fully booked events and last-minute flights, pre-sale access to luxury goods, exclusive collaborations, and global events, private jet partnerships, and curated travel experiences. They'll even help you source rare art or cars, or shut down a store for private shopping. But for many, the real value is the card itself. It's not made of plastic. It's titanium, heavy, matte black, and completely numberless. It screams, "I have access you don't." Celebrities, CEOs, royal families, many carry it, but few talk about it. The Centurion Card isn't just about spending. It's about status, strategy, and secrecy. And if you're lucky enough to be invited, you don't just join a credit program. You enter a private financial ecosystem built for the elite. Subscribe for more luxury money secrets, asset breakdowns, and how the ultra-wealthy actually move. The Black Card is more than a financial tool. It's a quiet declaration, a symbol that you've entered a realm where wealth isn't just measured in dollars, but in discretion, speed, and global access. To the outside world, it's mysterious. To those who carry it, it's essential. The card doesn't just work across borders, it transcends them. Whether you're checking into a penthouse in Singapore, purchasing rare timepieces in Geneva, or hosting a private art showing in London, the Black Card ensures you're never treated like a guest. You're treated like an institution. Its power lies not in what it buys, but in what it bypasses. Lines, delays, excuses, they disappear. Because the Centurion Card doesn't just pay, it prioritizes. It prioritizes your comfort, your schedule, your experience. It smooths the edges of a world designed with friction. It creates a seamless pipeline of access, a direct line from your desires to their delivery. Need a private consultation with a doctor in Switzerland? Done. Need a last-minute luxury yacht in the Amalfi Coast? Booked. Need a rare collectible secured before auction? Already handled. The card becomes your shadow, always present, never intrusive. Your travel plans evolve into operations. Your nights out become orchestrated productions. Your shopping turns into private showings in cities you didn't plan to visit, but suddenly must. Centurion card holders don't check availability. They define it. They don't follow trends. They influence them. The brands they engage with respond accordingly, offering first access, exclusive collaborations, and sometimes complete customization. From tailored suits cut in Milan to watches assembled in secret ateliers, it's no longer about price. It's about placement. Even customer service isn't service. It's execution. There's no queue, no repetition, just seamless, intelligent response, tailored, immediate, and aware. The concierge is not a representative. They're a personal assistant with global capability. They know your time zone, your dietary preferences, your last 5 international check-ins, and which fragrance you ordered for your suite in Kyoto 3 years ago. Because Centurion doesn't forget. It archives, and it evolves. Its intelligence isn't artificial. It's intimate. It remembers your lifestyle and shapes itself around it. A silent, responsive presence, built to serve without being seen. And then there's the sound, the metallic clink when the card hits a table, heavier than any other. Not flashy, but final, like the closing line of a power move. In a world obsessed with noise, the Centurion card is the punctuation mark of silence. No one asks what it is. They already know, or they pretend not to, and make a mental note. This card whispers louder than most people can scream. It's not unusual for entire retail spaces to close upon its arrival, for exclusive items to be reserved before requests are even made, for entire teams to be activated with no additional instruction, simply because one of their own presented the card. It's not about attention. It's about alignment, with legacy, with class, with a standard few can define, and even fewer can maintain. Because true exclusivity is not about how many people want it. It's about how few are allowed in, and those who carry it, they've proven something. Not just income, but insight. Not just wealth, but wisdom. They move like brands, think like banks, and travel like diplomacy. And so, the Centurion card follows suit. It's built not for the rich, but for the rare. The invitation isn't a reward, it's a recognition. A nod from the shadows that says, "We see how you move. You belong." And what follows is more than perks. It's partnership. Amex isn't giving you a tool. They're giving you territory. A space where the world adjusts around you, where systems bend to your convenience, where time is respected and effort is invisible, where you don't wait, you don't ask, you just live, fully resourced, fully supported, fully elevated. Because when you move with Centurion, the world doesn't just open, it opens for you. Most credit cards help you afford things. This one helps you escape limits entirely. It's a tool of negotiation, a passport of influence, a badge of precision. It belongs in wallets where decisions move markets, where calendars fill years in advance, where the phrase, "let me check," rarely exists. The black card isn't a goal. It's a gateway to a world where you never hear no, where delays are dissolved, where the next level is always waiting and already prepared. It's built for people who don't chase, they design. For those who don't hope, they arrange. For those who don't flex, they flow. And through that flow, every door becomes automatic. Every luxury becomes default. Every plan becomes precise. This isn't banking. This is curation. The Centurion card is not about what you have. It's about who you've become. And in the right hands, it's not a card, it's a command. If this level of access, strategy, and wealth fascinates you, you're in the right place. Subscribe now for cinematic breakdowns of luxury tools and the secrets they never post online. Because the real game, it isn't loud, it's silent, and it's waiting for you.